African Village Life. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Margaret Joki Mogo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking mandazi and black coffee in our villages for breakfast. Welcome. Our recipe: carrots, coriander, dania, coffee, oil, and flour. And baking. Those are our recipe, and milk. Those are our recipe. Remember, we use firewood for cooking. We are cooking mandazi and black coffee for breakfast. Okay. Let me know in your comment section how do you do in your village. We start by boiling milk first. This is milk first. Let us meet in a comment section. Let me know how do you cook mandazi in your village. In Kenya, we call them mandazi for breakfast. Kindly, if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. We are now 490 subscribers, way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. Kindly share my video to your friends so that I reach my goals, way to 1,000 subscribers. The milk is ready. Wow, we stir and wait it to cool. Ndio tukande hunga nayo. Niko na homa. Hata mkisikia na ngorota kwa video niko na homa. Hiyo ni maji ya coffee. Then we add coffee. We add coffee. Black coffee. We measure with our hands. Kindly comment. Let me know how you do in your country. Acha tukutane kwa comment section. Kindly comment. Those are dania. We wash dania thoroughly. We prepare carrots. Those are our dania. Let me know in your village mnasiitaje. Tunasiita dania. Kwa English ni coriander ama ni nini? I don't know. Those are carrots. Wow, I have told you my recipe is carrots, coriander, flour, baking, oil, milk, black coffee and sugar, and water respectively. Wow. Start by preparing our carrots. Remove the outer cover. Then we grate them into small pieces. Tutakanda unga yetu na hizi carrots na dania. Tutakanda unga yetu hivi. Tupike mandazi. Ni ya morning. Life in the village is so simple. We use firewood for cooking. Remember, our sufuria are black in color outside. Wow, this is a kitchen garden full of greens. That is a kitchen garden. Kindly subscribe. Subscribe, guys. You are #1 supporter. My number is on my bio if you need to support us so that we grow our channel. We are new to YouTube, so we are growing day by day. We grate the carrots like that into small pieces. Wow, our black coffee is ready. When it boils, we add sugar. respectively. Tunakoroga alafu tunaweka kwa birika. Tunaweka kwa katro. In English it is called katro. Tunaweka kwa birika ya chuma. Ndio hata ikipoa tunachemsha na birika. We shall warm it with a katro if it gets cold. So our coffee is ready. We sieve it. You can see the firewood. Wow, very delicious. Delicious. That is black coffee. Remember here in Kenya, now it is the time of cold. Wakati wa baridi. Sasa baridi ni mingi. Unaiacha hapo ndio isipoe. So you have to take your coffee when it is hot. This is an African queen, an African woman. Strength of a woman. Wow, you can see those are her roof leaves. In the village, everything in the village. Wow. Wacha tuanze na kukima unga. Kukima inaitwa aje na English? Kukanda unga inaitwa aje? I don't know. Hii sijasoma. Hii English yangu ni ya mapembeni. Tutaweka baking. We add baking. We add sugar. Then we add carrots and caredra, respectively. Those are carrots and caredra. We mix well. Wacha nijue kwenye mnapikanga mandazi aje. Yetu tunapika hivyo na carrots. Ndio iwe tamu. Alafu tunakanda na maziwa. Kanda na maziwa. Tukande kabisa. Tukimaliza kukanda tunaweka mafuta. Kande kabisa. Tukande unga kabisa. Kabisa. Tukutane comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. Unga iko ready to we add a oil. Can see. Tukutane kwa comment sections. Comment vupi. Kwenye nakosea mnaniambia tunaongeza oil. Then we stir for some minutes. Kindly, you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and comment, share to your friends. Subscribe, guys. We are 500 subscribers. Wait 1,000 subscribers. Wow, thank you for your continued support. Continue to support me. Wow. Our unga is ready. We stir for some minutes. While we are waiting the unga to be ready, acha mafuta iwe ina boil. Let the oil be boiling. We use flash fry, pan oil industry for cooking. Tunatumia flash fry. Flash fry kabuni situpe hands. Sasa tunagathiriria huko kwa mtandao. Tunalala. Oh, you see. We roll like that. Tunarol hivyo. Remember, we are cooking mandazi for breakfast. You can see. Wow, delicious. beautiful color like carrots and coriander. They are so nutritious. Then we cut into pieces. You cut at your choice, pieces of your choice. You can cut triangle, you can cut square, you can cut round, you can cut according to what you like. Nayo mafuta iwe inamboya iwe side ingine, alafu you deep fry. Wow. Kaikia tone. Mapiwa wega lakini. Ndugekire ringi. Matikuvia. Wow, you want as many as possible. Naogopa kuchomeka. Wow. Alafu unaanza kupindua tu pole pole, kupindua pole pole. Raila. Kiendelea kuiva unapindua tu pole pole. Wow. I'm cooking mandazi for breakfast. Wow. How delicious they are. Wow. They are ready. Brown in color. Alafu tunaanza kutoa moja moja. You start removing. You have to be very careful so that you don't be burned by this oil. It's very hot. The oil is very hot. So we continue cooking. Kindly, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and comment. Hata tuandikie comment kidogo kidogo tujue kama tunapika vizuri na kwenye mnapikaje. Let me know in your village, in your local country, how do you cook those mandazi for breakfast and black coffee. That's it. Wow, the oil is very hot. That's it, boiling. Wow. 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 Taendelea kupika mingi mingi ndio itoshe everyone, even kids those who are in school. Tafuta mandazi bado iko. Okay. Wow, delicious. Ando mwana nime kutoka kuja kwa kuruga mai. No. Ana cara. Kamu karuna sabra kwa kapsi. Wow, the food is ready, the coffee is warm. Let us enjoy. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. Let me know in the comment section how you do. Remember, we are located in Embu, Kenya, Africa. Wow, you can see delicious. Enjoy. Yummy. Where the black coffee is so sweet with mandazi. Wow. We are in the rural villages of Kenya. Wow. Delicious. Enjoy. Oh, you can see. Wow. Comment. Kindly. Comments. Kindly. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm Margaret Joki Mogo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. The breakfast is so yummy with my kin. Joy.